Typically, GoPro unveils new devices in September. As that date approaches, we're getting a lot of confirmed information about the upcoming GoPro Hero 12 model, along with some leaked photos. Should we take these details seriously, and is it a smart choice to invest in the new GoPro 12? Let's delve into the topic to find the answers. Including its upgraded 1-inch sensor compared to the Hero 11's 1.9-inch sensor. Now, leaked images circulating online have confirmed this improvement. One image clearly shows the branding, while another leaked photo reveals an exciting detail. The Hero 12 will offer 4K video and up to 240 frames per second for slow-motion shots. Additionally, we've received confirmation that the device can capture 8K at 60 frames per second. These three pieces of information alone make the GoPro Hero 12 a compelling upgrade over its predecessor, the Hero 11. Let's now dive into the specifications. The GoPro Hero 12 is expected to feature a 32-megapixel sensor, although there are alternative rumors suggesting a 30-megapixel sensor. This larger sensor means the camera can capture a wider field of view effortlessly. Moreover, the Hero 12 will introduce HyperView 6.0 along with a 360-degree horizontal lock. These features combined will ensure incredibly sharp and noise-free footage, even during intense movements. Additionally, the Hero 12 will offer significant flexibility in its video settings. It can capture raw photos, enable touch zoom, incorporate ProTune adjustments, provide on-screen shortcuts, and offer time-lapse and night-lapse modes, all without needing extra equipment. For easy navigation, the Hero 12 will sport a 2.29-inch touchscreen LCD on the back and a 1.4-inch live view screen on the front. Being waterproof up to 33 feet and equipped with a rechargeable battery pack, the Hero 12 makes capturing moments on the go extremely enjoyable. Alongside the Hero 12's launch, GoPro will revamp its subscription model. Subscribers will have the advantage of effortlessly uploading footage from their Hero 12 camera to their GoPro Online account simply by charging the device. This footage will then be automatically edited into a highlight video and promptly shared with your smartphone through the GoPro 12 Quick app. According to another photo, GoPro has received certification from the TDRA for the Hero 12 Black, which will be marketed as either a Hero 12 Black or Hero 12 Black. In the TDRA records, the action camera's model name is listed as CPST1, the same designation as the Hero 11 Black. The TDRA doesn't provide further insights into the Hero 12 Black or how it differs from its predecessor. Despite listing both the Hero 11 Black and Hero 12 Black under the same model name, the latter will come with a new rear display, speculated to be an edge-to-edge touchscreen. The anticipation and excitement for these awaited upgrades to GoPro cameras are growing stronger each day. If all goes according to plan, we can expect the Hero 12 to be officially announced in September 2023 with an estimated launch price of around $550. Given the significant improvements and ongoing global inflation, the price seems reasonable from our standpoint. What are your thoughts on this? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this content, consider subscribing for more. As always, thank you for watching.